Hi, this is panyiacrochets. I have a beautiful pink champagne crochet lace bracelet here that measures about 7.5 inches. I am starting off with the thread and inserting a needle through and hooking all of the pearls onto the thread here. I'm alternating larger and smaller pearls. There's a total of 10 pearl beads on here. You can increase it by one or decrease it to make it longer or shorter. Right here, I am attaching the clasp to the end of the thread by inserting the needle through the loop that's attached to the clasp 3 times and tying it to secure your clasp, so creating a knot right here. Now that I have it secure onto the clasp here, I will remove the needle from the thread and snip off the long tail off the thread. You can snip all your tails at the end when the project is completed, but I like it nice and clean here. So for row 1, you're going to create a slip knot by laying the crochet hook on top of the thread, yarn over, pull your yarn through to meet the other, and secure the loop on the hook with your finger, and then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Because this already looks like 2 chain here, I am just going to create 1 more chain. So that looks like a 3 chain. From here, I'm going to pull 1 bead closer to my hook and make 1 chain. So this would be called a beaded chain. Making sure to secure the bead tightly or else the bead can become too loose. From here, I will create 3 chains. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then continue to pull another bead closer to your hook and then create a chain here as well, a beaded chain. Secure the beaded chain here nicely, and then we'll create 3 more chains. So that will be a chain 1 here, chain 2, chain 3, and then bring the other pearl bead closer to the hook and continue with the chain 3 all the way to the end once you completed all the beads. Finally, I have all 10 of my pearl beads on my bracelet. Here I'm just measuring to make sure that it fits my hand before I continue on to the next row. Keep the hook in the loop. Here I'm just finding a little piece of the thread and folding it in half and twisting it so that it inserts into the loop of the clasp a little bit more easy. Pull the thread through, and once the thread is through by about 1 inch, separate it so that you can make a loop out of the thread and wrap the thread over the head of the clasp and pull the yarn below the clasp to secure. Now that the first row is completed, we will begin with the second row of the project here. To start, we will chain 1 and create a double crochet into the top loop of the first beaded chain. So you'll find the top loop, so we're skipping about 3 chains, and then find the top loop just right behind the pearl bead and create a double crochet here. So that's chain, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then find the second chain from your pearl, so that's 1, 2 there, and then create a single crochet. Then find the beaded chain and create 3 single crochets into the top loop of the next beaded chain. So that's 1, 2, and 3, We're going to single crochet into the second chain from your bead right here. Find the beaded chain and double crochet 9 into the top loop of that beaded chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then single crochet into the second chain from the beaded chain. And then into the next beaded chain, make 3 single crochets. That's 1, 2, 3. Find the second chain from the beaded chain and single crochet. And so we'll continue with making a single crochet into the second chains, and then behind the smaller purl here, creating 9 double crochet, chain 1 in the second chain, and then again creating 3 single crochet in the next beaded chain. So then repeat this pattern all the way to the end of the row. So right here we're at the end of the row. This is the last bead. I'm making 3 single crochet into the last beaded chain. In the last chain 2, we'll make 8 single crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then from here single crochet 3 into the top loop of the beaded chain, the chain that's unworked, and that's 3 single crochet. Make 3 single crochet in the next unworked beaded chain loop, so that's 1, 2, 3. Continue to work 3 single crochet in the unworked loop of the beaded chain all the way across to the last bead, and then finally creating 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 chains. Here I'm just organizing all of the beads and trying to figure out what I really would like to come out. So I am putting the oval clear bead in between the shells and with a little bit of a pink round under it. Once I have that all organized, I am going to slip stitch into the first double crochet, then chain 5 here and single crochet into the 5th double crochet, chain 1, and then attach the needle through the unworked end of the thread and insert a round clear bead through it, chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, and then continue with the chain 5, slip stitch into the 9th double crochet, and then we'll chain 3, so that's 1, 2, 3, and attach the clear oval bead and a round pink clear bead through your needle and pull the beads all the way closer to your bracelet. Here I'm inserting the needle back through the clear bead so that we can secure the pink bead onto the bracelet. Now that it's secure, create 3 chains, 2, 3, then slip stitch into the next double crochet, chain 5, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet into the 5th double crochet, and then from here chain 1 and insert a clear round bead, chain 1, you'll single crochet into the same stitch and continue with 5 more chains, and then slip stitch into the 9th double crochet. You want to repeat this pattern all the way to the last stitch into the 9th double crochet. Here I'm stitching into the last 9th double crochet, then chain 3, that's 1, 2, 3, and then finally insert the last oval clear bead and the last pink round bead onto the thread. And insert back into the round oval clear bead and pull the thread so that the bead are closer to your chains. I'm done attaching all of the beads. I'm just going to detach the needle from the thread and chain 3, 2 here, 3, and then single crochet into the 2nd single crochet from the purl, and then make another single crochet into the next single crochet, yarn over and pull your thread through. Just use a scissor and snip off the loose end, and here you have the beautiful pink champagne lace bracelet. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Panyiacrochets.